Hi, I'm Cristian Klein, Senior Cloud Architect with Elastic's. Data breaches are on the rise. Given the HIPAA breach notification rule, a healthy security diet can reduce the risk of bad PR or heavy fines. In this video, I will show you how Compliant Kubernetes can improve your security posture with its network policy dashboards. In case you're a newcomer, Compliant Kubernetes is a platform to achieve multi-cloud compliance with various regulations. If you're an entity regulated by HIPAA, then you must ensure your users' privacy, or else you'll face crippling fines and bad PR. And as the saying goes, it's impossible to have privacy without good security. Okay, so what exactly does it mean to be secure? Fortunately, the US National Institute of Standards and Technology has issued a special publication on application container security. One key ingredient is to segment your IT systems into zones with clear rules on how zones are allowed to communicate. In Kubernetes, we achieve this using network policies. But a diligent security officer will not only ensure proper segmentation, they will also check for suspicious traffic that tries to escape its zone. The Compliant Kubernetes Network Policy dashboard allows you to do just that. Let me show you how it works. Using standard Kubernetes mechanisms, I create a network policy which allows any ingress network traffic, but egress traffic only to the database. This might be useful for a backend service that exposes an API on the internet and needs data from a database server. Let's look at what the Information Security Officer sees via the Compliant Kubernetes dashboard. As long as my service is used as intended, the network policy dashboards will show all green, no blocked traffic, no suspicious activity. Now let us assume that an attacker somehow gained access to the backend container, perhaps through a zero-day vulnerability bought off the black market. Let us look at this through the eyes of the attacker. One of the first things that an attacker would want to do is to download their favorite tools. This would allow them to gain more insight into your systems, to move laterally, and attack other IT systems. As you can see, they can't really do that thanks to network policies. That certainly slows your attacker down. However, without taking countermeasures, your attacker will simply persist and try out more things until they will find a way. Unless you defend yourself, they can take their time and try a new trick tomorrow. So how do you defend yourself? Now let us look at this situation through the eyes of the Information Security Officer. The first step is to know you're under attack. Checking the network policy dashboard should be a weekly, perhaps even a daily activity. Ouch! That doesn't look good. A container generated some traffic which it should not have. I need to check with the devs. Maybe they misconfigured something, but maybe we're under attack and need to investigate further. Let's look at the audit logs to thoroughly investigate the situation. If an attacker managed to exfiltrate sensitive data, we need to report the breach to our regulator. I hope that gave you a good insight into how the network policy dashboard in Compliant Kubernetes works and how it can help you improve your security posture. Compliant Kubernetes managed by Elastic's comes with a dedicated team to monitor such dashboards and notify you of issues before they become a problem. Please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help. Also, sign up to our mailing list to get the latest updates and engineering blog posts straight into your inbox. More information in the description below.